Introducing the Weekender, one chic hairstyle with 3 hair accessory options that you can stash in your purse for wherever your weekend plans take you. And I'll share, of course, all the styling tips to perfect this look, and it might just become one of your favorite hairstyles too. Hello, this is April with The Curl Story, a channel dedicated to helping you build your toolbox of curly hair routines, techniques, and signature hairstyles. So let's get started with the first and simplest hair accessory, the thin hairband. But I will also show you how this look can be done with a mini volume barrette or a mini claw clip as well. To get started, we're going to create a V section at the top of our head. So starting at the forehead, that's going to be the widest part of the triangle. And then just with my finger, I'm just going to carefully try to separate the curls. Now I am going to create some frizz here by this separation, but I could refresh that once the style is already done. But I want that point of the triangle to be at the crown of my head. Now, just the simple shape of this section is what creates this look. If we did horizontal lines, it would look a little bit more casual or a little bit more sporty because you'd have those part lines exposed. But with this triangle section, we conceal those part lines, and it just creates a little bit more elevated look. So even though it is a casual style, it still has that chic factor to it. There's volume on the side to frame the face. Even though your bangs are pinned up, you still have that face framing. You can even bring down a little bit more of the bangs on the side of your face if you prefer as well. So again, the point of the triangle is going to be secured just at the crown of my head here. You can see her just right in front of it, really. And you'll see the cascading effect. It looked like I just doubled the volume of my hair here. That's what I love, because especially when it's on day 2, day 3, if my hair is looking a little bit flat, this instantly gives my hair a lift that's going to last the entire day. So this is why this is one of my favorite weekend hairstyles. It's one that I can count on, that is always dependable and so easy and quick to do. And then I'm going to show how these 2 other hair accessories, they have the same look but a slightly different style flair to them. So you may definitely have a preference for which hair accessory you prefer to do this hairstyle with. So next I'm going to show you with the exact same sectioning with the hair at the crown. I'm just going to use a mini volume barrette. I'm going to show you how small it is. You can see it in my hand here to get a reference of scale, but it has a rounded top rather than a flat barrette. It's a volume barrette because it just has that arc in it. So what it allows, especially for our curly hair with more volume, it allows that volume to not be so flattened, to give it some more space, and it still has that lift. So I love the curve of it. I think the curve of it is perfect for curly hair and allowing that texture to do what it wants to do. And the next, of course, is the claw clip, and I'm going to link a video here of many more claw clip hairstyles, but with this cute little mini one, I always have one of these in my purse. I absolutely love it. This is definitely, again, a more casual look, and I chose a lighter color here just so you can see it on camera, but I usually use a black one so that it just blends, camouflages a little bit more in my hair, and it just makes my hair look all voluminous and big all around, and I absolutely love to just fluff it out and just have a great time with it. So I hope you enjoy the Weekender, and I hope it takes you wherever you want to go this weekend.